Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case, unpackaging, the Skullcandy Chops Flex wired earphones. On the front of the package, we can see the earphones itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. Right in the middle, we have the Skullcandy branding. Underneath that, we have a descriptive slogan that says Secure, Sport, Essential, basically signifying that these earphones are good for use while doing sporting activities. Underneath that, we have the model name, and right underneath that, we have a couple of the salient features, which include IPX4 water resistance and call and track control. The back of the box has a sticker right here, which has some of the importing and manufacturing information, and it also has some information regarding the customer care. We can also see a bit more of the headphones through this clear plastic window. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get the user guide. This should help you get started off with using the earphones and understanding the various buttons or singular button in this case of this head earphone. We also have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up are the earphones itself. As we can clearly see, there is a blue color theme going for it. The earphones are of the hook type, which means that these parts hook around the ears and give you a really secure fit. The hooks have some Skullcandy branding on it, and the ear tips have the Skullcandy logo. The ear tips are also rubberized, and you can remove them if required. There's also a paint blotched color theme on the ear tips. Like it looks like dark blue and light blue paints have been mixed. The cable is a lighter shade of blue, and there is an inline control unit as well. There is a singular button on the control unit, and that button is this Skullcandy logo right in the middle. The cable is approximately 2 feet long, and on the other end, we have a 3.5 mm TRRS audio jack. The jack is also golden in color, although we do not know if it is gold plated or just simply golden in color. To get started with using these headphones, all we need is a compatible device. For the purposes of this video, we will be using an Android smartphone. Once connected, we can use these headphones to play our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Skullcandy Chops Flex wired earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.